presenting the ASUS TUF Gaming F15. It comes with memory and storage, 8GB DDR4 2933MHz RAM, support up to 32GB using 2x SO-DIMM slot and storage, 512GB M.2 NVMe PCIe 3.0 SSD with MT1X 2.5-inch SATA slot for storage expansion. It has display, 15.6-inch LED-backlit Full HD 144Hz refresh rate. It comes with 48 WHRS, 3-cell lithium polymer battery. It features HD 720p CMOS module web camera. It also features nano-edge bezels, anti-glare IPS-level panel with 45% NTSC and other, one-zone RGB backlighting keyboard. It also features Bluetooth 5.1, Intel Wi-Fi 6GHz plus 802.11ax 2x2 and connectivity technology, Ethernet. The delivery box contains laptop, adapter, and user manuals. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.